Coming home after a grueling day only to step barefoot onto gravelly cat litter, tangled clumps of pet hair, and tracked in dirt, forcing you to immediately drag out a heavy, corded upright vacuum when you just want to relax, is an absolute nightmare that completely drains your free time. Traditional robot vacuums don't offer much relief either. They constantly bump blindly into furniture, get hopelessly stuck on rugs, and trap you in a cycle of constantly emptying their tiny onboard dust bins every 20 minutes. The Shark AV2501S AI Ultra Robot Vacuum completely rescues you from daily floor maintenance, functioning as a fully autonomous, heavy-duty cleaning workstation engineered to keep your carpets and hard floors pristine without you lifting a finger. Don't let its slim, low-profile design fool you. This dark gray powerhouse packs a massive punch against stubborn dirt. Driven by Shark's revolutionary Matrix Clean navigation, the robot doesn't just wander aimlessly. It cleans using a precision grid pattern, making multiple passes over the exact same spot to ensure no debris is left behind. What truly establishes its absolute bragging rights is its specialized HEPA bagless self-empty base. The moment the vacuum finishes its run, it docks and automatically evacuates its bin into a sealed base that holds up to 30 days worth of dust and allergens. Because the base is bagless, you completely eliminate the ongoing cost and hassle of buying replacement bags, while its true HEPA filtration seals in 99.97% of pet dander and dust. Engineered to handle the chaotic layout of a modern home, the AV2501S utilizes precise LiDAR 360-degree home mapping to quickly chart out your rooms, allowing it to navigate flawlessly in the dark and dodge unexpected obstacles with ease. Its self-cleaning brush roll uses unique flexible fins to continuously clear tightly wrapped pet hair as it cleans, preventing frustrating clogs. Through the intuitive Shark Clean app or simple voice commands via Alexa, you can schedule whole house deep cleans, target high-traffic zones, or set up strict no-go zones around pet bowls. It is the ultimate, stress-free upgrade for pet owners and busy families who demand uncompromised, automated floor care, and a truly hands-off cleaning experience. Click the link below to lock in the absolute best price. Drop a comment letting me know if this robot vacuum is going to be tackling stubborn pet hair or everyday dust on your hardwood floors. Make sure to smash that subscribe button for more smart home appliances, robotic vacuum reviews, and premium tech breakdowns, and I will see you in the next video.